Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to fix iPhone personal hotspot disconnecting. To quickly stop your iPhone hotspot from dropping, turn off first the low battery mode. So swipe down from your control center in the top right. And as you can see, this is the low power mode. So make sure to turn it off, right? You can also turn off maximize compatibility through your settings. And go ahead to the cellular, right? And of course, if you have a personal hotspot set up, then you can go ahead and basically turn off maximize compatibility. If it still drops, try connecting via USB cable or ask Siri to turn on the hotspot to bypass screen lock timeout. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.